Honda has always been an innovative and incredible motorcycle maker, creating the world's first four-stroke V4 bike, a V5 MotoGP machine, and legendary models like the VFR 750F, Super Cub, CBX, and many more. And now they've done it again with something totally fresh, a V3 Force induction bike, or simply put, a supercharged V3. Introducing the Honda V3R. This machine represents a bold step into the future while paying subtle homage to Honda's past. The V3R stunned enthusiasts and insiders alike. Its secret weapon? A completely new three-cylinder V-engine layout, coupled with a cutting-edge electric supercharger. Yes, electric, something we rarely hear in the same breath as performance motorcycles. The name V3R itself was first revealed through Honda's trademark applications in Europe and the US, covering everything from motorcycles to their parts and accessories. But more importantly, they also trademarked V3R E-compressor. This name isn't just flashy marketing, it's concrete proof that the concept's revolutionary electric supercharger will be carried over to the production model. So why is this such a big deal? Well, turbochargers and superchargers are not new in the motorcycle world. We saw a brief turbo era in the 1980s, which fizzled out due to complexity and poor throttle response. Kawasaki has recently made headlines with its H2 series, using centrifugal superchargers to deliver monstrous performance. But even that setup has limitations, especially in lower rev ranges. Honda's answer? An electric supercharger. It offers an instantaneous boost without the lag of turbos or the packaging problems of belt-driven blowers. It's efficient, compact, and delivers torque exactly when you want it, right off the throttle. That's something motorcyclists crave but rarely get from traditional forced induction systems. The electric blower is small, placed cleverly behind the steering head and in front of the airbox, and draws power from a lightweight battery. This smart packaging means it won't interfere with the engine's core performance or the chassis layout. It's designed to work with the engine, not around it. This is a brand new 75-degree liquid-cooled V3, a configuration that's almost never seen in motorcycles. 2 cylinders point forward, 1 rearward, and it's compact, balanced, and built from the ground up to integrate the electric supercharger. While Honda hasn't revealed the displacement yet, strong rumors suggest it's around 800 cc. And with forced induction, this could perform like a 1000 cc or even bigger machine. Think about that for a second. 800 cc agility with 1000 cc power, that's a thrilling combination. Now let's talk about what kind of bike this will actually be. The V3R is clearly leaning towards sport bike or sport touring territory. The R in the name suggests performance focus, but not full-on track monster like an ER. From the concept shown at EICMA, it looks like Honda is going for something versatile yet exciting, perhaps a spiritual successor to the VFR 800F Interceptor. The prototype's chassis borrowed several components from the CB1000R, forks, Tokico brakes, and even the iconic single-sided swing arm. But instead of the CB1000R's aluminum frame, Honda went with the steel trellis frame, showcasing the engine and possibly keeping production costs in check. That suggests this won't be an ultra-exotic model, but a refined, high-end machine still within reach of real-world riders. Dimensions-wise, the V3R is compact and nimble. It has a similar rake and length to the CB1000R, but with a slightly shorter wheelbase, promising agile handling. With the CB1000R's place being reshuffled in the lineup, especially after the arrival of the lighter, cheaper, and more powerful CB1000 Hornet, Honda clearly has room for a new premium R model. That's where the V3R fits. And here's the even more exciting part. This isn't a one-off. According to Honda's internal briefings, the V3 platform will be used across multiple fun models, just like they've done with the Hornet, Transalp, and Africa Twin platforms. So we can expect a whole family of V3-based bikes in the coming years. Perhaps a naked version, an adventure tourer, and maybe even a sport touring machine with full fairings. Platform sharing isn't just about cost. It's about giving riders more choices, and it means Honda is very serious about the V3 project. They aren't just throwing out a concept and hoping it sticks. This is a long-term strategy. The electric supercharger also brings another surprising benefit: eco-friendliness. Since it only kicks in when needed, it allows the engine to run leaner and cleaner when cruising, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. So yes, you're getting more performance and being greener. That's the kind of forward-thinking innovation we expect from Honda. And while other manufacturers dabble in hybrid concepts or turbo experiments, Honda seems to have found a sweet spot: modern combustion, electric assist, and real-world usability. The V3R isn't trying to be a radical departure from motorcycles. It's trying to enhance everything we love about them. Production is expected to begin around 2026, but we're likely to see a near-production version of the V3R later this year, either another concept or the final version ready for showrooms. When it arrives, it will carry not just the hopes of Honda fans, but the weight of decades of legendary innovation. Let's not forget, this is the company that gave us the CB750, the world's first superbike, the Super Cub, the best-selling motor vehicle in history, the RC211V V5 MotoGP monster ridden by Rossi, the CBX1000, a six-cylinder beast, and the VFR 750F, which set the gold standard for sport touring. Honda has nothing to prove. It has already given so much to the motorcycle world. And now they're adding a new chapter with the V3R. So whether you're a fan of cutting-edge tech, classic Honda engineering, or just want to see what the future of motorcycles looks like, this is the bike to watch. But what do you think about the new Honda V3R? Is it going to be a track-focused beast or a sport touring machine built for the long haul? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the history and evolution of legendary motorcycles, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SK for more exciting content. Ride safe and stay tuned for our next story. Goodbye.